What's up guys, my name is Dean, aka the Blue Crusader, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. So, if you want your Minecraft to run better and to get more FPS and give it a bit of an FPS boost, if you have a slow or low rend PC, or if you just want to maximize the performance of your game, there's actually a really good mod which I'm going to be showing you in today's video that lets you do exactly that. So if you want your game to run far more faster than it usually does, increase your frames and improve Minecraft as a whole, watch this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Sodium mod for Minecraft, which is a really nice Minecraft mod, which is an engine improvement that actually enhances Minecraft as a whole and improves the performance by a long shot. So this will add some new options, this will add and change a few different variables in the core Minecraft to make the game a lot smoother. So because the newest version of Minecraft is Minecraft 1.16.5 right now, we are going to be installing this on that version, but this will work for any past or future version as long as Sodium supports it and as long as there's a version of the mod. What we're going to go ahead and do is, first of all, we need to install Fabric. Now, I've got videos on how to install Fabric on my channel. You can watch those videos for a more in-depth tutorial, but I'm just going to download it again on this video and just show you how to do it real quick. So everything will be linked in the description: Sodium, Fabric, and also the Fabric API. So download the installer and then also press download on the Fabric API mod, which is linked below too, and press keep if you're on Google Chrome, and we're going to download these files. Then we're going to go ahead and press download on Sodium and press download and keep that file. And now we've downloaded all three different mods which we need, and these are really simple to install. So the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to go onto our desktop into our downloads folder, and inside here we're going to right click on the Fabric installer and press open with and Java. And when we install the Fabric installer, we just press install and make sure create profile is ticked, just so that it installs it into our Minecraft launcher, and press OK, and everything's done, and it's as simple as that. So now we've installed the main Fabric mod loader. We're going to go back into our downloads and delete the Fabric installer, and then we're going to highlight these two files, Fabric API and Sodium, and you can right click and press copy, or we can just press cut, which deletes it after you copy the file. So I'm going to copy these over, and we're going to go to our .minecraft folder, which we type in %, app data, %, press enter, and go into .minecraft. And in here, there'll be a mods folder. Usually there will be a mods folder already, because the chances that you've played with Minecraft mods before is very high. If you haven't, make sure to run the game once, and then this folder will automatically create itself, or you can just create it yourself. Now I'm just going to paste these two mods which we just downloaded and copied over, and we can close this, and the next step is just to launch Minecraft and jump into the Minecraft launcher. Now when we go into the Minecraft launcher, I'm going to show you how to configure the mod in game and just show you how it's working, and we're going to just briefly run over what it actually does and take it for a spin. So next, you want to click on the Minecraft version box here, and we want to find Fabric Loader 1.16.5 and press play. If it's the first time that you've played with a Fabric mod loader, or you've just installed it from this tutorial, then it will probably already be selected for you, but I have installed it before, so I'm going to select it and then launch Minecraft. And once it's loaded, we're now in Minecraft, and we can just drop into literally any world in our game to test this out. Now, to know that Sodium's working, if we press F3, we can just take a look and see what our FPS is. So in the top left of the actual game, you'll see it says a few different things. So for an example, there's now Sodium chunk cache, which isn't usually there before. And you'll see the FPS of our game is actually crazy. You'll see right now I'm running on around 360 FPS. So my FPS is really crazy. Obviously I do have an RTX 3090 and an i9 10900K, so I've got a pretty good computer, but this is even better than the normal Minecraft FPS. Not by much, but definitely by a stretch. So we've already increased the performance of our game. Now you can, on F3 it shows you the FPS, and it shows you a few different other values like what your computer has, for an example. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to press escape, and if we go to options and then go to video settings, you'll be curious, why does everything look different? Well, Sodium obviously changes the Minecraft engine, so it also changes the graphics settings in Minecraft's options. because basically this probably won't make sense for most of you, but basically Sodium brings a new OpenGL rendering pipeline to the game and changes the whole rendering engine and system of Minecraft to make it actually be less CPU intensive and increase the performance. Now you can read more about all of the specifics and technical details on the Sodium page, which I'm going to link below, but it basically does a lot behind the scenes in the game to actually make everything work better and much faster. Now inside here, while we're in the video settings, you can see we can turn on and off vsync, which obviously caps your frame rate to what your monitor can be. So for an example, my monitors are 144 Hz, which means that I won't be able to see any FPS that's above 144, so it will cap that to your monitor's frame rate. So we can also tick and untick full screen mode. We can change the GUI scale from here, and we can change a few different things. We can also change the FPS limit. Now it's interesting because it did say I had up to 360 FPS. Now you can mess around with this. For an example, if you want to play Minecraft in 60 FPS mode, you can also do that, or you can change it and turn it up to max, which is 260, or if you turn it down, it will say I'm capped at 240, but if you turn it all the way up to 260, then it'll automatically just toggle to unlimited, which is why I reached those 300 plus margins of the FPS values. So you can change your FPS limit here and uncap it and enable vsync. We can change the brightness of how the game looks, for an example. We can turn on clouds. We can change the view distance here, which is interesting because the view distance chunks only go up to 32, when in the normal Minecraft you can put it much higher, I think up to like 48 or something. So that's interesting. Then in the quality settings, we can change all of the quality settings here, like we just would do in normal Minecraft. Very similar, just the menu interface is a lot different. And obviously it's dependent on the engine of this mod. And then in advanced settings, we can change a few different things too. So we can animate only visible textures, and we can make things not render if they're too far away from the player. And we can change the chunk renderer system. So there's a lot of different things we can do in here which are pretty advanced. So if you jump into those options, there's a lot more customizability you can do in terms of just Minecraft making it run so much quicker. So Sodium is a mod which will increase the performance of your Minecraft, and I really recommend it for people who don't really have the best machines. Now, one thing you do have to note though, guys, is when you install Sodium, there might be ways to use Optifine if you download specific older versions or versions made compatible for Sodium, but for the most part, Optifine is not really compatible with Sodium without using certain methods at least. So I wouldn't recommend using Optifine and Sodium. I pick which one you want to use, because obviously both of them can be used for performance. A lot of people say that Sodium actually gives you more performance than Optifine though, but one thing you'll have to be aware of is that Optifine is designed around shader packs too, so obviously that will give you better support for shader packs, but Sodium is definitely worth giving a try if you want to increase your performance. And if you want a full feature list and explanation of what it does, then do click on the link in the description below. So this has been how to install Sodium, the mod for Minecraft, how to get more FPS and give your game a bit of an FPS boost. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a like and subscribe with notifications turned on for more Minecraft videos. Usually we're doing mod videos on this channel, but we do have a few useful tutorials too. Follow me at thebluecrusader on Instagram for more updates. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.